Nigga Production.
I hope I don't bloody get claimed just then. Okay. Look at this torrential weather. Right, today this car is getting its first pretty much maintenance job, which is the bloody timing chain, because I can hear it going. Now once I get to the garage, because I can hear it once the car's at a standstill, I can hear the chain just messing about and stuff. Once we get to the garage, I'll try and make you people hear it, because I can hear it, but I don't know if this microphone's gonna pick it up, but we'll see anyway. But pretty much we're going to down to the garage, we're getting the timing chain done, and VVT pulleys is what he said, is might as well get them done. Now I think, I'm not 100% sure on what they are. I think they're the cogs that make the chain spin around and stuff. I'm not 100% sure, but the thing is, it could be the VVT pulleys or the chain that's loose. So it's like he just pretty much just said get both of them done. So that's what we're doing today, and it's gonna be costing me a bombshell. That's what it's gonna be doing now. I need to take some cash out, because I don't know, they don't take card, hashtag for tax purposes. Probably don't want to claim them, but yeah, give me 1 second. Right, cash done. Now we'll drive down. Yes, lad. I'll drive down, and then I think it is a long process, so I don't know if I am gonna stay there at the garage or if I'm gonna leave the car there and then just come back and pick it up later. So I'm not 100% sure on that, but we shall see. Catch you back. Oh, also, for the people that don't know what a timing chain is, pretty much the timing chain is what's making this car go. Now if the timing chain is inside the engine. Now if the timing chain breaks, then it's pretty much game over, because your car is just fucked, and all the internals. The thing with the timing chain is inside, and if it breaks, then all the little pieces go everywhere, and then your whole engine is pretty much done over. Then you'll have to find another bloody engine off like some scrapyard and put that engine in, because this one will be KO'd. Different to a belt, because the belt's outside, if it snaps is like it's cool, but with a timing chain, it's inside, and once it starts going, you pretty much have to change it, because it's weird how long this car has done 58,000 miles, so it's weird how long they actually last. Some will last like 30,000 miles, some 50, some will go on to like 80. So it's not a specific mileage that it's like, oh shit, I've hit this many miles, so now I have to change the timing chain. Oh fuck, I've gone the wrong way, for fuck's sake. What was I saying? Yeah, it's not a specific mileage that you have to change the timing chain, and sometimes it won't tell you an engine management light either, even though it's going. Like I haven't got a engine management light on my dash, but I can hear that it's loose, and it's there, man. It's nearly there. So that's another thing. It's not always going to tell you an engine management light, and then next minute you know, bang, gone, game over. So let's go down to the garage, and then I'll try and make out the sound that it's making, just so you know how it should sound. Yeah. Also, another thing is, my car isn't sounding like a diesel. So at start up, if you start the car and it sounds like a diesel, and then it drops back down to like a normal petrol noise, and that's another sign. but mine's not doing that. Mine doesn't struggle starting, but once it's at standstill, you can just hear it just grinding away. It's fucked. It's fucked. So yeah, get down to the garage. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now can you hear that? Is that alright? Let me turn the whole car off so you can hear complete silence. That is complete silence. Then can you hear it? The change just like complete silence. So it's not misfiring by anything. Nothing here. It's just you can hear the change going around, just fucking about. It might be the chain or it might be the pulleys. So yeah, we'll see what's happening. I don't know how long this process is going to be, so I don't know if I'm going to wait in there for the whole time and then whilst they're doing it I can just record some clips, or if I'm going to leave the car here, come back, and then it'll be done. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it if I open the engine. Hold up. Fucking hell, parked in fucking... shit is this? Yeah, you can't really hear it. Like, yeah, man, that sounds fucked. Look, it sounds like a bloody diesel. It's not here. You can hear the changes. Oh, it's fucking weird, man. I can hear it, but yeah, let's go inside. Man's on a bus, bro. So the car is at the garage. It's gonna be a long process doing it, so I'm gonna, yeah, pretty much going home on a bus because no one's giving me a lift, no one's free, and yeah, that's that. Now I've got to wait. It'll ring me when it's done. We'll go back. It's finally done, people. Timing chain's done, everything, and then I'll show you the I'll show you the list here of what I got done to the car, and that's now. So there it is, people. Reg H4 VXR make Volkswagen 56. Wait, I don't know what the fuck am I saying? 58 6. Oh my god, my fucking mind just went blank then. 61. Decent. So there's the parts there: timing chain, VVT pulley, plus sprocket, guides, tensioner. Yeah, there's some antifreeze and a crank seal and all that. And this is the place I got oil direct, whatever that is. And then it cost me 460 bloody pounds. So yeah, 460 pounds. That's all the parts that's been done to it. Everything done. Everything bloody done. Because the thing is, oh, also, obviously I wasn't there. I dropped the car off at 9 and now it's 1 o'clock, so it's like a long process. I'm not gonna wait there for the whole fucking time. They're not even that fucking heating in there. I'll be freezing balls off. So I told Nadeem to make me some just some video clips of what it looked like and stuff like that. So all the parts that on this sheet here, that's what they look like. That's here now. What's it called? What was I saying? Yeah, that's they're all the parts that I just mentioned here, except for the antifreeze. But then I also told him to actually record the chain, and then here's a clip of that here. So as you can see there, that chain is on its fucking way out. Now apologies for the, obviously it's not HD, I wasn't there to record it. What the fuck's going on? Yeah, that chain is fucking gone, isn't it? And that's the thing with timing chains. The thing is, it won't tell you that if your car starts sounding like a diesel, then it's like, most likely just check your oil, because it's probably oil that's pretty much gone and needs topping up. That's why it might sound like a diesel. And then if your oil's live and then everything's live, and then just check your bloody, yeah, it's probably a timing chain. And the thing is, it won't always tell you that. It'll show you a engine management light, because the thing is, like, look at all these parts here. It's like fucking, it's like a mechanic, dirty fucking bump. Bastard. What am I paying fucking road tax for, eh? Fucking shit, all these roads. Worse than fucking Pakistan, in eh? Fucking hell. And that's supposed to be a shit hole, mate. I swear, fucking roads there are better than here. Fucking shit hole. Fuck me. Fucking look at this. Fucking potholes everywhere, man. Fuck's sake. What was I saying here now? Yeah, the fucking timing chain, man. Fucking hell. It's done. 460 done. Out the bank. Oh, out the bank. What else did I need to say here? Yeah. What else did I need to say? What else did I need to say? Fucking hell, mine's gone blank. Mine has gone fucking blank. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that's that, man. Oh, yes, parking spot there. The opposite side. Dirty bitch. What was I saying? Yeah, timing change done, everything, all these fucking parts are done. I think this video is just over now and I'm just rambling on. But yeah, car's mint now. Oh yeah, it starts up like a treat. Look, I'll turn it off now. Silence. Start it up like a fucking treat, mate. Without the blow off valve, can't hear it that much, but oh well. Yeah, this video's pretty much over. If you carry on watching, I'm just rambling on with myself. That's that. So if your car does sound like a diesel, it's probably a timing chain. First thing, it might just be your fucking oil. You ain't got no damn oil in there. And then if it's not that, then what? Pat it down, da-da-da. Feel like a manly. Fucked up, dun 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 dun. Woo! I hope this motherfucker don't claim me, bro. I played this fucking song like 4 or 5 times. Oh, I hear that. What? Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spot right here for me. Dun, 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 dun. What? Alright, I shall end this video here. I shall see you in the next one, and then the next video will probably be just what's happening with the new car. If I am buying a new car. If I'm not, I don't know. You'll have to wait till the next video, because today is, what's the fucking day today? 11th today. This video will be out on Sunday, which will be something, hold up, just bear with me 1 second, just bear with me, please, for the love of God, just be quiet and bear with me. I'm fucking trying. Sunday, which is be the 16th, this video will be out on the 16th, and then on the Monday, the next day, my insurance will run out. And I still ain't got a fucking car in my drive. So, I don't know what's going on, boys. I don't know what's going on. You'll have to... Oh, shit, bro. I've just seen glare on this thing. I hope you can fucking see me. And it's not catching the sun. Dirty bitch. Fucking sun never out when I need it to be out. When it's out, it's out. Nice day though. It's a shitstorm this morning. Fucking beautiful day now. Right, this is the end of this video. I shall see you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick.